In this video, I'm going to teach you how to see who liked you on Badoo. So for this, we will also explain some free options for this. As you can see right here, I have in here this kind of Reddit thread about who you can see who someone can like you. As you can see, this user says and advice, don't ever pay for anything on these apps, which is actually an online dating. They tried it for a month and got 17 likes, and 14 from them from different countries, two from states, and same with Tinder a while back. So although this user doesn't like those thirsts, they wouldn't match with them on Tinder or Bumble. You either have success in a free version or you don't have success at all. So this is basically a gambling on online dating. So in here, for this case, you also need to make sure to not pay money for this. So what you can do on this case in order to see who can like you or who liked you right here on Badoo is you just need to see if you actually match with them again, and you can see if you two have liked each other. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.